welcome. We're going to be doing a series of videos explaining the script line for line. Each video is going to take one line and we're going to explain why that line exists and why we have you say it.
This is in conjunction with what do you do when you get pulled over? That's what this is all about. What you're going to do when you get pulled over.
So here we go. We're going to start with the first line.
Why did you pull me over? Now, why do we say that?
We say that because Supreme Court law has held that can't just sit there and hold you for a traffic violation without further independent probable cause separate from the traffic violation that they pulled you over for. So you want them to identify what that traffic violation is so it starts the clock. Even if they don't tell you what it is, you've asked for it, they didn't give it to you, it's going to matter later down the road if you end up getting a ticket or your car searched.
That's because they have about 8-9 minutes to actually give you that ticket and get you on your way, unless, like my brother said, they have other independent probable cause to further detain you, which they will get from you
if you speak
and you don't follow the rest of the script. Now, when you say, why did you pull me over? You want to be polite. You want to be nice about it. We get a lot of comments from people saying, well, that's rude. Why do you say that? Well, it's all in your tone. Why did you pull me over?
If the comes up to you, which they do a lot of, do you know why he pulled you over? I don't want to be and say, well, am I a mind reader? Like, how do I know?
Or why did you pull me over?
Right.
Don't be like that.
No, instead it's simply, no, why did you pull me over? And hopefully they're going to tell you why they pulled you over.
If they don't, do not get into an argument with them when they say, well, give me your license, insurance, and registration, then I'll tell you. Don't get into, that's not the time to argue with them. Just hand over your license, insurance, and registration and give it to the cop, and then you will continue on with our 25-word script. Now, one of the things that you want to remember, even if the cop tells you why he pulls you over, we still want you to politely say, why did you pull me over? Because we want them to say it again. I've read many police reports and seen body-worn camera where it says, oh, we pulled you over because you were speeding, and then later changes their mind and says, oh, well, we pulled you over because you didn't use your blinker, because they really pulled you over because they were profiling you. And in California, that new law where they've got to tell you why they pulled you over when they come up. There's some exceptions to that. We've gone over it in some other videos. But even if they tell you when they have to, you should still ask politely, why did you pull me over? We want to hear that again. And that is the first line of our 25-word script that we suggest you use in any situation with. It works in every state in the United States. It works at checkpoints. Your rights are your rights, and you live and breathe with them wherever you go in the United States.